Don't forget your dog in the laundry basket. Ugh. Man, it's heavier than usual today. Huh. Weird. Mom, here's the laundry. There you go. Ugh. Don't accidentally put your dog in the dryer. Hey, Dad, I'm gonna stick the dirty towels in the dryer. Okay. There we go. Hey, Dad, can you start the dryer for me? Oh, wonder what that is. Don't forget your dog in the easy chair. Oh, what? Oh, Goliath, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, buddy. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to do that. I'm sorry. Yeah, it's okay. I'm sorry. I won't sit on you again. I'm sorry, buddy. Make sure your dog isn't in the shooting range. Okay, let's see if I can hit that white target over there. I haven't shot in a while, but let me give it a go. Whoops. I think I missed. Wandering in a nuclear test range. Make sure your dog isn't in the way when you back out.
You ready to go?
Yup.